Hi guys, I'm here now at the market and eto namili po ako. Then ayan, I'm here in the market of Wanchay and I'm buying so many sale stuff here that I'm going to sell online in my Facebook and my pages. So abang-abang guys. Hi everybody, I'm here now in Hong Kong and I am here buying a sale with those Filipinas, and here's the owner. And I've met a beautiful Filipinas here in Hong Kong. Ayan. So namili kami ng mga beauty products at saka kung ano-ano na lang, girl. Ayan, mga namimili. Oh. Okay, ayan, yan yung gusto ko, bruha. Ayan, so we are buying now, sale. So ayan, so mga Pilipinas sila. Yan, sobrang dami ng tao guys. As in. So, yan, enjoy watching. Sobrang dami.